Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MetaTrader 5 on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search MetaTrader 5. After making search, you'll find MetaTrader 5 trading platform for forex, stocks and future on top of your search list. Just click it. Click on download MetaTrader 5 for Windows if you are a Windows user. If you are a Mac user, click here, and if you are a Linux user, click here. But now I'll click this one. After that, click on download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. And if you see in your downloads, it's already downloaded. That's how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your PC. It's simple and easy. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.